Today I will show you how to create a search or filter menu. So this is the search element if you want to search Python. So type here Python. Okay. The result is now how to create this. Go to my notepad. Okay. The body section and the tag and the tag name. Okay. How to create search filter menu. Now create a class name raw. Okay. And create again a class name left, and the style for the left color and the background color will be green. Now create an input whose id is my search and the function my function. Then create an listed values items whose id name is my menu, and the list items are HTML, CSS, and so on. Now create a class name right. Alright, okay. Heading, and there are three paragraphs. Okay. Now take a look for the function name my function. Declare some variable input filter well unlisted value unlisted elements. Okay. And now you need to get the id my source, okay, as input, then convert it to uppercase. Okay. The get value for unlisted whose id is my menu, and the list items. Um, Now continue for loop until to the list of all the items. Get the value, list value, and then if the condition is true, then it will set the list item display that will be empty. Okay. And otherwise the display will be none. Now and the style for every elements body font family Arial alphabetical box sizing border box, and add a style for raw display flags for flag box, and left class plus 20% and right will be 80%. Okay. For the search value white 100%, font size, okay, and the list values list style type will be none, padding margin 0, and the list items whose padding will be 12 px. Okay, color and display will be block. Now add a hover style, background color, and the color.